know the words, you studied grammar, but when someone talks to you in English, you freeze and say nothing. This is for beginner English learners who are terrified of making mistakes. Today, you'll learn how to speak without that fear stopping you. Miss one mindset shift, and you'll stay silent forever while your English gets worse. Brian, why do people get so scared to speak?
They're afraid of sounding stupid.
Exactly. But here's the truth. Everyone makes mistakes.
Even native speakers?
All the time. I say and constantly.
Really?
Listen to anyone talk. Nobody's perfect.
But my grammar isn't perfect.
Doesn't matter. Communication matters. If someone understands you, you succeeded.
Even with mistakes?
Especially with mistakes. Let me ask you something. If someone speaks broken English to you, do you think they're stupid?
No, I think they're brave.
Exactly. Other people think that about you, too.
Never thought of it that way.
Here's your first phrase. When you don't know a word, say, how do you say, and then describe it.
Like what?
Say, how do you say the thing you write with?
How do you say the thing you write with? And they'll say pen.
Right. You learned a word and kept talking. Practice. Say, how do you say the thing you write with?
How do you say the thing you write with?
Excellent. Say it again.
How do you say the thing you write with?
Good. Next, you said something wrong. The other person looks confused.
That's embarrassing.
No. Say, sorry, let me try again.
Sorry, let me try again.
Then say it differently. Use simpler words.
Just try again?
Yes. Nobody judges you for that. They want to understand you.
That helps.
Here's a big one. You're speaking and your mind goes blank.
Happens all the time.
Say, give me a second.
Give me a second?
Buys you time to think. Totally normal.
I thought I had to answer immediately.
No, even native speakers pause. Practice. Say, give me a second.
Give me a second.
Excellent. Say it again.
Give me a second.
Perfect. Now, someone speaks too fast. You didn't catch it.
I hate that.
Say, could you say that slower?
Could you say that slower?
Or, I didn't catch that.
I didn't catch that. People do that?
Constantly. It's not rude, it's smart.
Okay, I'll try it.
Here's the thing. Your accent is fine.
But people might not understand me.
Some won't. That's okay. Most will.
What if they ask me to repeat 5 times?
Then write it down or use your phone.
I can do that?
Of course. Communication is the goal. Use any tool.
That's freeing.
Now, big mistake people make. They translate in their head first.
That's what I do.
Stop. Think directly in English.
How?
Start simple. When you see a cup, think cup, not your language word.
Just think the English word.
Yes, train your brain. It gets faster.
That'll take time.
So start now. Every little bit helps.
Fair enough.
Another fear, speaking in front of groups.
Terrifying.
Start small. Speak to one person first.
Like practice.
Yes, a friend, a language partner, even yourself in the mirror.
Talk to myself?
Why not? No judgment. You hear your own voice.
Never thought of it that way.
Here's something important. You will make mistakes today.
Great.
No, listen. Mistakes mean you're trying. No mistakes means you're not speaking.
So mistakes are good.
They're necessary. That's how you learn.
Okay, I can accept that.
When someone corrects you, say, thanks for correcting me.
Thanks for correcting me.
Shows you're open to learning. People respect that. Practice. Say, thanks for correcting me.
Thanks for correcting me.
Excellent. Say it again.
Thanks for correcting me.
Good. Now you're in a conversation. Someone uses a word you don't know.
Happens constantly.
Ask immediately. Say, what does that mean?
What does that mean?
Don't pretend you understand. You'll get lost.
True. Better to ask.
Exactly. Here's a secret. Native speakers forget you're learning.
What?
They talk normal speed, use idioms, forget you might not know something.
That's frustrating.
It's actually good. Means they're comfortable with you.
Interesting way to look at it.
Just remind them. Say, I'm still learning. Can you use simpler words?
I'm still learning. Can you use simpler words?
Most people will happily adjust.
That easy?
That easy. Now, pronunciation. You're worried about it.
My R sound is terrible.
People will still understand you. Focus on being clear, not perfect.
Clear, not perfect.
Right. Speak slowly if you need to.
Won't people get impatient?
Better slow and clear than fast and confusing.
Good point.
Last big fear. You'll say something offensive by accident.
That scares me.
If it happens, say, "I'm sorry, I didn't mean it that way."
I'm sorry, I didn't mean it that way.
Then ask, "Can you explain so I don't make that mistake again?"
Can you explain so I don't make that mistake again? People forgive mistakes?
If you're sincere, yes. Everyone knows language is hard.
That's reassuring.
Let's review. When you don't know a word, say,
How do you say the thing you write with?
"If you need time to think."
Give me a second.
If someone corrects you, say,
Thanks for correcting me.
"You're ready to speak."
I actually feel ready.
Good, because the only way to get better is to open your mouth.
Even if I mess up?
Especially if you mess up. That's progress.
I'm gonna try.
That's all anyone can ask.
Thank you.
All right, question for everyone listening. What's your biggest fear when speaking English? Be honest in the comments. You're not alone. And subscribe for more lessons that build your confidence, not just your vocabulary. Now, go speak to someone today, even just one sentence. You can do this.